But anyway, okay, we're gonna do Sec 1 speed. This time is the whole Sec 1. And those of you who are wondering how difficult Express Maths is, we are using the Express Maths workbook today. So if you feel at the end of it is chicken, please switch to Express. Okay, just like Shaza. As you know, Shah is in Express. Shah, are you in an Express, Shafika? Yes, right. Shafika, apa di minum-minum tak tahu. Tak apalah. Okay. So now I hope you can do not all of them. You can use your calculator, no problem. But we want to change from here. They want you to change to meters per hour. This one they want to change. Let me see. Meters km per hour. You try these two first lah. Meters ACE lah. ACE. So this is a taste of Express Maths. It is more or less the same lah. Okay, only a little bit more deeper. But as the years pass, it will become 1 year difference between normal academic, because normal academic is 5 years, right? And then Express is 4 years. So a little bit become 1 year difference. So if you're going to switch over, end of Sec 1 is the best. If not, it's a second place, end of Sec 2. So let us see. If you, this should be quite easy lah, the first one. You need not change everything. M is not miles, it's meters. So please send your answers. Come. Those of you who send by handphone, no problem. Please send. Oh, sorry, Chontek. We have, I think, a first answer. Is it from Mr. Hayan? I'm guessing it's Hayan. It's Raihana. Raihana.
Wrong, it's wrong.
You got to think about this very carefully. 0.4 meters is shorter than a dwarf. Almost lah, almost. Terbalik lah dia, terbalik. Kilometer, 1000, kilo 1000, okay. Shaza, come on, Shaza, come on. Zah, come on, Zah. Shah, come on, Shah. The rest don't know. Sophia, are you okay now, Sophia? Are you really, is that really a staircase behind you? Really? Is there a staircase? No, on your right. I thought you are in a double-decker private house. Wow, kaya, see? Oh, Cik Pia. Hayan, impossible, Hayan. This is 40 km. You know, 1 km is 1,000 meters. 40 km, very simple lah. Come on lah. We only need to change the yes, Raihana, congratulations, you have redeemed yourself. But what about Shaza, the super duo, who's there drinking, I do not know what, 40 km, come on, you change it to meters lah. How to change to meters? K stands for kilo. Kilo means 1,000. Okay, so you times by 1,000 lah, 40,000, and then what do you do? 40,000, just put 40,000 meters. Yes, but you must have the H also, Shaza. Must have the H. Yes, now put H. Okay. So you all try the next few. Okay. Raihana, it's like very nice food you are eating. What is that? I'm feeling a little bit hungry, you know. Sophia, well done, Sophia. You must have a unit, Sophia. Meters per hour. Yeah, whether you're from a private house or not, there's no discount for you. But it looks like a staircase lah. Shaza, you think it's a staircase behind here? Yeah lah. Wow, Hayan. Let me see. Hayan. Wow, very fast. You miss out the meters, I think. Let us see. But then, remember, how come everyone give the answer like that? Funny lah. Hello, this one, 1 minute is 60 seconds, you know. Per second means 1 second. You want in 1 second. This one now you give your answer in 60 seconds. I know 100,000, but it's not 100,000. Okay, let's see. You try. You think first. Shaza also say 100,000. You are correct to say 100, 1,000 meters in 1 minute. This is correct, right? We didn't change anything, but they did not ask you in 1 minute. They asked you in 1 second. So what are you going to do about that? Well, I don't care. I don't like the question. Hey, come, Miss Sophia, come on, you can do it. Sophia just looking down, wondering what Sophia do. Sophia, I can do not, Sophia? I can do, but I don't want to do. Why, Sophia? I don't like maths. Don't be like that, Sophia. Why are you talking to yourself? I'm not talking to myself. Okay, this is the way for me to entertain myself. Okay, I think Shazami has gotten it. Let's see. Shaza. I think you better change to Shazam lah. Tak boleh lah. Zah, tolonglah Shah. Zah, tolong Shah. Shah, tolong Zah. So you do together, tak tolong lah you all. You all get it? You can't get it lah. Let me see. In the handphone, no one. Okay. Okay, so we do together. Okay, now I show you by primary school method. Not because I'm making fun of you, but for you to clearly understand. This is 1,000 meters in 1 second, in 1 minute. So 1 minute is how many seconds? Oh, 1 minute is 60 seconds. So you want in 1 second. How do I get to 1 second from 60 seconds? I divide by what? I divide by 60 ma. Okay, so if you divide by 60 ma, do the same thing to the other side. Divide this by 60 ma. Okay, to those of you listening, you are wondering what is ma. This is English. So you will get the answer here. Yes, congratulations, Mr. Hayen. You will get that answer. Now that is correct. That is correct. Rahana can do now. You understand, Rahana, what I'm teaching? Okay, so you must divide 60 by 60. You must not forget, this is the introductory part. We need to make sure you are far more advanced than this. Shaza can do not. You divide by this, you'll get 1, 6, 6, 6, 2, 3. 1,666 and 2/3. By the way, just for your info, you all ever heard of number 666? And some people say number 666 is number of the beast. You know what is this now? Number 666. You see the Christian. Nam. Okay. The Christians also believe in Dajjal, you know. Yes. Not only Muslim. They call this the beast. And I don't know whether it's in the Bible or not. The beast will have 666 on the forehead. The Muslim one in the hadith says on the forehead will be the word kafir, right? Kafara, right? I think so. Benar kan? Betul ni. Ustazah baru kata, ya, benar. Muslim one, but it may not literally mean that lah. I do not know what it means. It might be figurative. So Christians believe in Dajjal, Muslims believe in Dajjal. Do you know, for just your info, Muslim, Christians and Jews, some of each religion are all waiting for the coming of Nabi Isa. You all know that. Muslims are waiting for the return, inshallah. Christians, they believe that he disappeared after the crucifixion. They're waiting for him to come back. The Jews, they believe that the Messiah has not come. They don't call him Jesus. They call him the Messiah. And they're all waiting now. So I think there's going to be a showdown in a place called Israel. Can we try question number E, please? And Hayen has given the answer. Let us see whether Hayen is correct. Hayen, your unit now is, so sorry, Mr. Hayen. This from meters now to, that it cannot be lah, Hayen. This one, you must change it now to, how to change? Okay, we'll do step by step in a moment. Come on, guys. Otherwise, we have to. Sorry, I just clear the page for a while. Okay. And so, for those of you whose families have been maybe infected by jinns and all that, you must read the Quran a lot. Okay. For me, I found an easier way to do that is to marry someone who reads the Quran a lot. But I must read the Quran also lah. Sophia, Sophia, Rahana. Oh, okay, can we go to show? Shaza, yours? No show lah, Shaza, you are double power, no? Tak boleh lah, kita minum milkshake ni, aku dah rasa ngantuk lah. In fact, Zahira don't know what inside the drink. Dah mabuk. Okay, now you see. This one now is for meters in 1 second. You want to change 1 second to 60 seconds first. Why you want to change to 60 seconds? Because you need to measure in 1 hour. 60 seconds is 1 minute. Later on, you must change to 60 minutes. Why? Because 60 minutes is 1 hour. See, what is he talking about? Okay. Now, this is the distance traveled in 1 second. Okay. Let us try now to find the distance in 60 seconds. You times by 60 lah. Times by 60. And then you must times again by another 60 to find in 60 minutes. Why 60 minutes? They want your answer in hour. 1 hour is 60 minutes. And 1 minute is 60 seconds. So you must times by another 60. And then you will get the number. Let us see now. Okay, use your calculator. Try. Come on. 0.013 times 60 times 60. You get 46. Some of you may have gotten it right. Sorry, I think some of you may have gotten it right. Here, so sorry. You must check carefully. You will get, I think Raihana or something got it right. Then you must change this to km. You got to divide by 1,000. You see, this is now when you times by 60 times by 60, you get 46.8 meters. You know, they want it to be in kilometers. And this one in hour. This one you don't need to change anymore. For time, don't need to change because it's 60 minutes already. Down here, you need to divide. Divide by what? Meters change to km, divide by 1,000. So shift 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Put the dot here. So it's 0.046 km per hour. Okay, let us see. 468, there's an 8 on here. Let me see who was the one who got it right. I think Raihana, is it? I'm so sorry I said your answer is wrong, Raihana. Raihana, congratulations, you got it right. Well done, Well done. So the rest, do you all know how to do? Because you have failed this one, you got to do down here. Now, how to do? You see now from seconds, you want to change to hour. Okay, I give you another formula lah. 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes times 60 seconds. Okay, sometimes your teacher might give you this. Equals to 3600 seconds. So one way is just to take 0.013 times 3,600. You get the answer 46.8 in 1 hour. Then after that, change it to km. So if you want to change from seconds to hours, times by 3,600. If not, you can do slow method times 60 to get 1 minute, times another 60 to get 60 minutes. No problem also. Okay, we try. And then if you want to go reverse, let's say from hours, you want to change to seconds. Down here, you must times. Down here, you must divide. Okay, so now I want you to try now question F. I hope you can do this. If you can't, we are in a little bit of trouble. Hayan, is it confusing, Hayan? Hayan, confusing, See, no response for everyone. Hayan, let's see. Let's see, Hayan, did he get it? Okay, it's not. Okay, alhamdulillah, good. You try, I thought that was the answer. You say the answer is no. Okay. Shafika, what are you drinking, Shafika? Whatever you drink so far for the last 2 years, I am very interested in it. In fact, I didn't tell you that. Every time you drank the milkshake, I was thinking, I wish this student buy me that milkshake. Do you still drink milkshake? Says, yes. He says, no, I'm now taking care of my body. Okay. Come. Come. Hannah can do this now, Hannah. Hey, how come you cannot? You want to change now? You got hours, see, 36. Those who need help, you try to work out from here lah. Okay, do it like that. In 1 hour. 1 hour, you remember, is 60 minutes, right? So now change it to 1 minute. How to change to 1 minute? You got to divide. Divide by 60, you get 1 minute. So the first step is you divide this by 60. Now down here now, I suggest change it to meters first. So 36 km is how many meters? 36,000 meters. Why? Kilo means 1,000. So down here you divide by 60. Down here you also divide by 60. Down you get meters already. Okay. And then you change now from 1 minute is 60 seconds, right? Divide by 60 again. Divide by 60. Why divide by 60? Because 1 minute is 60 seconds. You want to find out your answer in 1 second. Remember, this means in 1 second. This is 1 hour. This is 1 second. This every time you have a slash down there, per hour means 1 hour, per second. Okay, sometimes you see this like per pax. Pax means what? Per person. Okay, they might put like that, $5 per pax. And $5 per person who want to attend, let's say whatever thing, you got to pay $5 per person. Let's see now. Okay, someone has. So you try, then you divide, then you get 1 second. So this one now, you still in meters, right? You divide somehow, you get in meters, right? Then you change to cm. How to change to cm? Meters. 1 meter is 100 cm. So you times by 100. Let us see. Sophia has gotten the answer. And this is question number F. Almost there, Sophia, almost there, but not there. It's still smaller than the actual answer. Okay, I will have to wrap very soon and show you. I feel you all are a little bit lost. Okay, that means I will take a longer, this conversion one, we have to take a longer time, but not today, because if I just do this, you'll be bored. So I am going to, maybe we'll go back to the earlier topic in P6. It's not fair to you guys. I'm trying to teach in 2 lessons, 3 lessons, what the school will take 2-3 weeks actually. So now let's go step by step. We have 36 km in 1 hour, right? That's what this is saying. 36 km in 1 hour. What is the speed in 1 second? And you want cm. So I'm going to change now. 36 is 36,000 meters. Why am I changing it to meters? Because later I got to change to cm, you know. So I change to meters first lah. And this is 60 minutes. Okay. Now I want to change in 1 minute. Notice I didn't divide this one yet because this is the same. 1 hour, 60 minutes. I don't do anything. I just write in minutes. Now on 1 minute. Okay. Now if 1 minute, that means is you got to divide by 60 lah. Okay, you got stop. Okay. 1 minute. So you divide by 60. Okay. And then you divide by 60 on this side. You divide by 60. Now what do you get? You get divide by 60, you get 600. So Sophia, you answer correct, 600 meters, but this is for 1 minute, Sophia. You want 1 second, you know. 1 minute is 60 seconds. You know, right? 1 minute, 60 seconds. You all must know this. If you don't know, habis. Then you want to bring it to 1 second. Why you want to bring it to 1 second? Because you see down here, they say like that means per second. So you divide by another 60. So you divide 60, so this one you divide 60, you get 10 meters. You're almost there, almost there. They want cm per second. You have meters per second. They cannot. They say cannot. Change this to cm. Well, 1 meter is 100 cm. 10 meters is how many? Times 100 lah. So 10 meters times 100, 1,000. 1,000 what? 1,000 cm per second. This is your answer. Okay, never mind. Never mind. I'm going to backtrack now to primary 6 work. Okay, don't feel bad, nothing. You all did not go through this last year. All right, so we are now going to go to both books. You may have done this, but I want to revise this one because I am not too confident whether. Okay, let us go back to here. Okay, you have to be able to know this one. The other day, did I give you this? Okay, if I did, I don't think so. Not this one, I think. You try A, B, Raihana coming in. C, D, all of this. Can you try? What is it in? You should be able to convert. Sophia. Good, Sophia, first one correct. A correct. Raihana, A correct. Shazza not yet. Shazza perlu warm up lah. Shazza, cepat lah Shazza. Perlu warm up lah. Okay. Sophia, B correct. Raihana, B correct. Ian, what about you, Hill? Ian, he will give an answer all one shot. Shazza, first one correct. Raihana, 1 hour, there's not 100 minutes. You are saying there's 100 minutes. There's only 60 minutes. You must divide by 60. Use your calculator, divide by 60. Okay. All right, correct, Sophia. You try to see what's the answer. Yes. Okay, well done. Okay, later I'll write both answers, one in fraction, one in that. Means Sophia okay, Raihana okay for C. Shazza okay for B and C. Sophia okay for D. Raihana, what is that? Is it correct? Hold on. Error. Okay, Raihana correct. But you can put 0.412 lah because no, 0.42 because nearest 6 you plus 1. You get what I'm saying? Yes, huh? What about Shazza? Shazza, come on, Shazza. Takkan stuck after C, D. Yes, correct. Don't put question mark. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself, Shazza. You are two of you some more. Remember, rukun iman pertama. Percaya kepada Allah. And how can you say you believe in Allah if you don't believe in yourself? You have to believe in yourself. Allah asked the angels to bow down to us, you know. You know how great we are? And we are so afraid of jinn. But I am so afraid of Antula. Okay. But shouldn't be afraid. I shouldn't be afraid. Well done, Shazza. Well done, Raihana. Well done, Sophia. Here, where are you here? Here, over here. The next one, they're going to finish the rest here. You're only boy here, please. Beat them all to it. Okay, Ilhan is not here. Ilhan went for his jab. Okay. I think, yes, wow, here, let's see. First is correct, A is correct, B is correct, C is correct, D is correct, E is correct, F is also, let me see. F is correct. So congratulations, Ian. You have beat them all. Congratulations. Raihana, last one, incorrect. This one changing to 1 hour is how many minutes, Raihana? Then that one is for the one down there. 3/4 hours, how many minutes? They add them together. Or you can make it improper fraction times by 60. What about Shazza? Shazza, come on. Sophia, let's see. Well done, Sophia. Congratulations. You've gotten it. You've gotten it, girl. Well done. You can be the next. Yes, well done. So those who are not too sure how to do the last one, let me just show you. So you can ask yourself, oh, this one is 60 minutes. This one, just take 3/4 times 60 lah. What do you get? You get 45 minutes. So then you plus 45 here. So you get 105. Or you can do this way. Take improper fraction. 1 times 4 is 4 plus 3 is 7. 7/4 times by 60 straight. Okay, you'll get 105. Raihana, okay, Raihana? Okay, yeah? All right, we move on now. We move on. So this is okay. Okay, we don't need to do this one now. Hold on. Let me go to see now. This one seems to be too easy. Too easy. Okay. This one too easy. Too easy. This one. Can you please try now? Okay. Question 1A, 1B, 1C. I'm just revising to gear you up. Because we go from easy to difficult, not from difficult to easy. In fact, for those of you doing project work, I do not know where I told you this last week. If you are supposed to do a project, don't go to the difficult section to get the difficult books with very few pictures. Go to the children's section on the same topic and you'll get a very clear idea. That's the trick to doing what? To doing your group work, your research. When did I use this? I used this when I was even in NIE as a teacher. Say, what? As a teacher, you use children? Yes, because the concepts will be very, very clear. But only don't depend on that. Depend on everything. But if you have forgotten the formula, remember DST, DST, D, S, T, distance, time, speed, and time. Heian, congratulations. Well done for A. Heian straight A. Heian B, correct. C also correct. Congratulations. Sophia, A, B, C, correct. Well done. That was Sophia. Congratulations, Sophia. Not Heian, sorry. Wow, Sophia very fast. You don't play a fool, this girl. Okay. Especially you try to beat her, you bully her, one time she'll whack you, everyone will. Same also for Rahana lah. So right, Rahana. Rahana says, don't make fun of me. I'll whack you too. Okay, Rahana. The last one, tak boleh lah. You must take distance over. Yeah, the second one, here. I think you're going to take the wrong. It's not time divided by distance, no. It's distance divided by time. Yes, correct. Okay, let us see, Shaza. Shaza, first one correct, second one correct. Third one, come on. Third one. Yes. Okay. Rahana, you're not done, Rahana. Okay, you know how to do that? You know how to do, right? Okay, so this one is 100 divided by 25, you get 4 down here. 10 divided by 2, you get 5. 800 divided by 2, you get 40. Okay, so we move on. Okay, can we try this chart here? Wow. Let me see where you're right. I think you may have done this last week. Okay, well done here. Or the week before last. You may have done this. I'm starting to feel that way. Or was it another class? I can't recall. But it's okay, we are revising because. Okay, well done here for A and B. We are waiting for C. Who is this? Oh, Sophia. Congratulations, Sophia. As I told you, she will come in first. Well done, Hian, for C. Okay, so Sophia, you come in first in your speed, although, although. Well done. Hian, yes, well done. Shaza, A correct, B correct. And we are waiting for C. C is, we are waiting for C. Rahana, can do now, Rahana. Okay, so now very simple. Down here is distance, speed, time. If you want to find the distance, you cover distance. See what I mean cover? Imagine the distance not there. Distance is not there. Hold on. What are you left with? You are left with speed and times. You times them together. So this one, distance, speed times time. Take this times this. See how to times? Well, your calculator, you can put 616. If not, you do it in two-prong approach. You can take, you can do this also like improper fractions. 6 times 6, 36 plus 1, 37. 37 over 6 times 72. You will get your answer. It's not a good answer for some people. say, or CCC. Die. 444. Okay, you will get 444 km. Now the same thing down here, Rahana. You want to find what now? For the next one, you want to find down here. You want to find speed. Cover speed. Take away speed. Okay, take away speed. What happens? What are you left with? Distance divided by time. Can you see now? Distance divided by time. So distance divided by time, 1050 divided by 12. You'll get 87.5. And the next one, you want to find what? You want to find time. Distance divided by speed. So this divided by this, you will get 15.5. Okay, you try. If not, yeah, we have to, yeah. Anyway, okay, yeah, just hold on. Let me just erase this thing. Okay, we move on. Let's see now. Okay, before we go to problem sums, I want to try the other worksheet. Make sure that you are able to do the other worksheet. Okay, let us see this one. This one should be no problem lah. Okay. No problem. This one, okay, I'm not going to test you on this. You got to know all this actually. Okay, this one is easy. Sorry, yeah. Oh, problem sum already, eh? Okay. We'll move to problem sum and then. Can you try problem sum number 1? You may need to draw.
Take something.
Yeah, take it. You may need to draw. Say draw what? You may need to draw the distance time graph lah. You can see, or chart. He drove for half an hour from one place to another, down here to here. So you write now down here, you write time, half an hour. Then what else you write? You write speed, because they give you speed, what? 80 km per hour. So what you don't have, you know, by using the triangle, once you have 2 items, you can find the third item. You don't have distance, what? You can find distance actually. Down here. In fact, that's what they're asking you. You need to find this. And then he continued driving. For how long? For another half an hour. Half an hour, yeah. And then you have the speed, 70 km per hour. You can also find the distance. Why? Because you got the time, you got the speed, you got the time, and you got the speed. You can find distance. So you find distance in part 1, distance in part 2, add them together, you get total distance. Okay, Sophia, just a moment. Congratulations, Sophia. This is a new Sophia. Sophia, what happened? Have you taken any? No, says, I've taken Brand's Essence of Chicken. No, huh? No. I'm just joking. Good. You are able to do it. Your focus is very good. Alhamdulillah. Well done. Okay, the rest come. You continue and find. I will just reduce so that those who finish can do the next one. Okay, Sophia, you can attempt the next one. Your answer is correct. Oh, the rest also said. Only Sophia, yeah. What about Shaza? We have lost our power. We finished all our milkshake. Hey, don't be like that lah. Takkan you minum je ada power. You see, look at Hayan. He doesn't even drink anything. Hey, Hayan, come. We're waiting for you also. So far, Sophia is the fastest lah now. Well done, Hayan. Congratulations. Well done. Hey, but there's no per hour, no. When you put /hour, that means it's speed. You want only distance. So be careful of the unit, eh? Yes. Okay, well done. What about Shaza and Rahana? She don't want to play already. Hey, this is not playing, man. It's not study. So just a tip to Miss Sophia, as you are about to type, average speed for the whole journey, the formula is total distance over total time. Okay, that's the thing. So you must find total distance first over total time. You can have the distance very easily. So I don't think your answer is correct. You cannot just say 6 plus 4, 10. That's GB. Gasak buta. Cannot. You must take total distance, divide by total time. You see the distance is here, they give the distance 3. Then they do all this. You must add this together for the total distance. What's the total time? Then you divide.
Can you zoom in?
Oh, zoom in.
Mm.
Hold on. I have to just clear the. Okay, let us see. Hian, almost there, Hian. How many? Sophia, almost there. So, Sophia, you going to add the wrong thing. You going to add the speed. km per hour speed, you must add distance, total distance. Here, you didn't divide. You just add the distance and you say that's the thing. How many hours did they take? 1.5 hour and half an hour, no? Okay, I will go through the first one first. Okay, in case for Shaza and Rahana. So now, there are 2 steps in the journey. One, Jack, he drove for half an hour down here. We know it's half an hour. What the question tell us? We know the speed. You see in this triangle, there are only 3 things. You have D, not Dajjal. D is for distance. S, speed. T, time. So this hour, half an hour is time. Then speed you have here. You can find distance. Speed times time. Half times 80, you get 40. The first half an hour was 40 km. See how you get 40 km? Speed times time. You just write down a half times 80. Okay, we need me to show you, I'll show you down here. Half, this is time. Speed times time, right? Times 40 here, 80. This is the speed one. So you divide it, right? You get 40. Down here, same thing also. You have what? You have time. You have speed. You can find distance, what? What is distance? Formula speed times time. Speed times time, what speed? 70 times half. You put this inside your calculator. What do you get? You get 35. 35 km here. First one is 40 km. You add together lah. 40 plus 35, 75 km. What? Sorry?
Nothing.
Don't put per hour. If you put per hour, salah. Because what this is unique for speed. There is no per hour here. Just km only. Because this is distance. Okay, we move on to the next one. Let us see. The next one, you all can do it. Actually, it's very, very simple. Next one, the formula for average speed. What is it? It's total distance divided by total time. Average speed for the journey is total. I write down the formula. You memorize now this one. Total distance over total time. You have done divide, not times. You go in times here. Average speed. See, it's the same formula still, but this one is total distance. Now here is total time. You must divide now. Let's see who has gotten it. Sophia, well done. So far, the only one who got an answer is Sophia. So you write down what's the total distance out of here. You can write down. No. Okay, write down. Ian, write down what's the total distance down here. Okay, Ian, what's the total distance? She walked 3 km at first. She walked 6 km. Write down the total distance down here. Then the next one is total time. Total time. They give you what down here? In fact, let me tell you one part of here, total time. This one is don't need to look at this thing. Don't need to look at this thing. This is a distraction for you. Don't bother about this one. This speed that they give you, don't bother. You don't need to use it. You say, don't need to use it, why they give it to us? Well, in life, you're going to get many things that you don't need. Sometimes you don't need $1 million, but you inherit $1 million. What are you going to do? You're going to use it? Yeah, I'm going to use it. I'm going to jolly. I'm going to buy a car. I'm going to buy. Up to you, lah. You might destroy your life. Same thing. They give you extra information. You may not need to use it. What's the total distance? Come on. 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6, 9. 9. And isn't 1.5 hours plus half an hour? 1.5 plus half. Hey, come on, this is 2 hours lah. Huh? Is it 2 hours? Yes, right. Half and half makes 1. Plus another one, 2 hours. What's the formula? Distance divided by time. Total difference. So 9 divided by 2. Get what? 4.5. Come on, this is considered very easy. Yeah. Okay, well done here. 4.5 km per hour. Okay, we move on. Now, I hope you are able to get it. Okay. Clear the screen, clear the screen. If you all need more, I think you watch the video lah. Only thing I think I forgot to record last. Okay, not yet. Let's go to slightly easier one. Okay. Okay, can you try question 1 and question 2 first? 1 and 2. Okay, that means, Ian, you must know that's a formula here, Ian. What's the formula for what? What you want to find? How many meters means the distance? So, okay, your unit is not right. Okay. You want to find distance? That means you all do not know how to use the triangle. I got to test you on the triangle, no? Okay, Sophia, well done for A. For B, I'm going to calculate. So you know, find distance, speed times time. Down here, how long would the flight be? You are looking for time. Distance divided by speed. Okay, I will test you one by one in a moment using a triangle, but I'm going to use other things. So other things, what you mean? I will show you in a moment. Because maybe you all do not know how to use this triangle. Okay, we'll start with Shazala later. Shazala will test you first. But Shah cannot tell Za, and Za cannot tell Shah. Okay, well done, Sophia. Congratulations. You've gotten it correct. Here, correct. First one, correct. Well done. Shazza cannot, Shazza. Shazza. Okay, Shazza, I'll test you now. I want to find distance. What's the formula? Shah, come. Just turn on your editing. Tell us. Distance, what's the formula? In 5, 4, 3, 2. I cannot hear lah. You mute yourself.
Speed times time.
Okay, want to find speed. What's the formula?
Speed.
Yeah.
Distance times over.
Distance over time, huh? Okay, Za. I want to find time, Za. I want to find time, Za.
Distance over speed.
Okay, so you know already, yeah? Okay, when we're going to check now, next one. Rahana, come. I want to find distance. What's the formula? Look at the triangle here.
Speed
Well,
times.
Speed times time. Good. Okay, I want to find speed. What's the formula?
Distance Distance over time.
Good. I want to find time. What's the formula?
Distance over speed.
Speed. Yeah, correct. Okay. If you are unsure, I'm going to test you now another one. Okay, we're going to start again. This time, we'll start with Sophia. Down here now, crescent moon. Crescent. Down here, star. Down here, square. Okay. Sophia, I want to find crescent. What's the formula? Crescent.
Star times square.
Good. I want to find star.
Crescent over, I mean,
Correct. Crescent over.
over square.
Okay, I want to find square.
Crescent over star.
Okay, well done. Okay, here I'm going to test you here. Okay, now very simple here. Okay, A, B, C. Here I want to find A.
B times C.
B times C. I want to find B.
A divided by C.
I want to find C.
A divided by B.
Okay, well done. So all of you are very clear. You know how to use this triangle. Let me test Raihana now. Raihana, I got a test because okay. Crescent. I want to find crescent. Raihana, crescent. Crescent. Okay, once I want to find crescent, crescent disappear. This one disappear. Can you see both of them are together? It means it's times. Star times square. So now we go back. Then I want to find square. Look, I want to find square. Square disappears. Crescent now divides by star. So if I want to find star is crescent over square. So I'm going to draw something else for you until you all must be able to master lah. Okay. Let's say now okay. Okay, this one. This is for Raihana and Shazala later. Okay, let's say W. O. Was lah. Okay. Raihana, how to find W? Cannot hear you, Raihana. Come on.
O times Z.
Okay, I want to find O.
W over Z.
Good. I want to find Z.
W over O.
Okay, well done. So you all know how to use this triangle, huh? Just need to check Shazza now because Shazza they did it together. So now we put on here lah. Okay, S, Shazza, and then A lah. Okay, Zahira, how to find S? This is Anika.
Z times A. Z
Z
times
times
A.
A, good. Okay. How to find A? How to find A? Zahira, how to find A?
What you say? S over Z.
Okay. Miss Shafika, how to find Z?
S over A.
Okay, well done. So you have no problem at all, okay? So you have no problem, please, you will be able to do this one straight. You want to find out what is it down here? Come on, you can do. Unless you're not doing lah, then that's why nothing comes out. Down here, you want to find what? How many meters? How many meters? Is it distance, speed, time? How many meters is distance lah? So speed times time. This one, how long did the flight take? You're asking about the time. How many hours? You cannot say how long the flight take. 30 cm lah. Doesn't make sense, what? How long it take? 7 hours. So now you're gonna find time, distance over speed. So can you all complete it? I will show the other side also down here. So those who have not done number 3, please do. Those who have not done number 1 and 2, please do also lah. Here you got both answers correct. Sophia got both answers correct. Raihana have not yet. Miss Shazza also have not. Oh, Shazza also have. Okay. Then we do number 3 ni. Raihana, we go straight to number 3. Number 3. Okay, we go straight to number 3. You can put it inside calculator 4.5. Or you can make it at 4.5, no problem. Anybody. They want to know what is the distance. Well done, Rahana. Congratulations. Unit is also correct. Let's see. What about the Marvel Duo over there? SZ. Well done, but what's your unit? Is it hours, kilometer per hour, or what? Okay, well done, Sophia. Hian can do the Hian. Shaza, what's your unit? I'm not asking about your door house unit number. Unit for this question. Don't give me the unit. I'm on the 13th floor, 556. You just, Hian, you calling me Hian? Are you calling me? Should I answer? Don't answer. Okay, well done, KM. So down here now, okay, those Sophia, Rahana, okay, Hian, we are waiting for you, but I will go through them. Okay. So down here now, this is speed, this is time. Speed times time now, you get 261. But don't just leave your answer like that. Your answer is supposed to be in km. Why? Because it's distance. Do not add the per hour. This one becomes speed. Okay, so we go to the next one. Okay, same one. All right, please try this one. Come, be careful. Well done here. Well done. Question 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Thanks, man. Thank you. Okay, well done, Hian. Congratulations for question 4.
Teacher.
Yeah.
How do you minus time?
Time. Just take 1600 hours. 1600 hours 4 p.m. No? So you can just take 1600 hours. This is the later time, right? Minus 12. Yeah. So you minus, you get 4. 4 what? 4 hours.
For the second one.
Second one. Okay, second one, do the same thing. Take the later time, 10, 30. It's like hours or so. Down here you can put 30, as in 30 minutes. And then 9:45. Now you will get your answer in minutes, right? So you need to change it to hour. You minus, you will get, you must borrow, not 100 minutes, no. You borrow 1 hour here, it becomes 60 minutes. So remember, it's 60 plus 30, yeah? It's not 130. You cannot just put 1 here. So if I were you, I rewrite the question now, which is 9 hours, 90 minutes. So that I don't get confused, you see. Then 9 minus 9, 45. And then you will get your answer. But you will get it in minutes. Later you have to change to hour in order to use as the formula. Let us see. Congratulations here. Well done. What about, let me see, I think Shaza has sent something. Shaza. Yes. Well done for the first one, but there's no unit, Shaza. What is the unit for the first one? Second one is wrong. Well done, Sophia. Shaza, second one wrong, Shaza. Okay, Rahana, how many hours is it? Rahana, can do not, Rahana? Okay, so we try that. This one is 4 hours. You have the distance. Rahana, you okay now? You look a little bit sad. What happened? Something happened. Don't ask me that in front of everyone. Sorry, Rahana.
I haven't eat yet.
Oh, haven't eaten. Why don't you bring the food? Not allowed. Cannot bring the food inside. Okay, we are finishing in another 2 minutes actually. Okay.
Is the answer 64
Yes, 64, but what is the unit?
kilometer per
Per
hour?
hour. Well done. Okay. Now the next one now, Shazad did not get it. So we there down here, we do the time 10:30 minus 9:45. Then remember when you borrow 1 hour is 60 minutes. Then I rewrite the working. So 9 hours, 69 hours, 90 minutes, 90 minutes. I write 90 minutes here, minus 45. So I will get 45 lah. Okay, you don't believe I send 10 minus 5, 5. 8 minus 4, 4. But this is in minutes. I need to change to hours. Why? Because my formula is in hours. When I substitute, if I put 45, they will think it's 45 hours. Your time, if you don't change to the right unit, the formula you must remember, as I told you, is a dodo. You got to make sure you give spoon feed. You put 45 as the time, they will say 45 hours, no. That's why you may get 720. Let me see whether you got that way. 45 times 16. That's why you get 720, because you give the time as what? 45 hours. So now, how to change to hours? Just divide by 60 lah. Divide by 60, just put like that, then you don't need even to reduce. You want to reduce, you can reduce, you get 3/4. Or you can even get it as a decimal, 0.75. 0.75, I thought it's supposed to be 0.45. No, it's not 0.45. No, 0.45 times 60 is actually 25 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. Not 25 minutes. I forgot lah. Okay, 0.45 times 60, how much do you get? Hold on, 27 minutes. So 0.45 hours is 27 minutes, not 3/4. You don't believe, you take 45 divided by 60, you see what's the decimal, you get this. Or if you reduce, you get this. Now you want to find how far the cycle, you are searching for distance. How far is distance? Speed times time. So be careful now. Take 16, speed, times time. Do not write 45. You write 45, gone. You just need to add another 60 below it. Why? Because it's in hours. You will get the answer as, I forgot the answer. Answer is 12 km. And then if you think about it, it's logical what? Only 45 minutes, less than 1 hour. 1 hour can travel 16 km. If it's less than 1 hour, my answer must be less than 16 what? How can it be hundreds? Cannot be. So you can use your mind, be very clear, be okay. Okay, what am I going to do next week? I think I'm going to continue with speed until you all are champions lah. Okay, is it okay? We continue with speed, okay, but we do tougher ones lah. Can or not? If you're confused, you must tell me, okay? I'm pretty, Rahana, your face look like pucat lah. Oh, this is the look when you got no food. Puasa should look like that. Okay, never mind. So we see you again next week, okay? You take care of yourself. Assalamualaikum.